H-40 is an industrial-strength reinforced water-activated tape designed to securely close boxes 40 pounds or less. H-40 is offered in a natural kraft color. H-40 falls between H-30 and H-50 on our strength scale. H-40 is similar to H-30. However, H-40 features stronger machine direction fiberglass threads, allowing for the product to outperform lighter grades of tape. The product has a water-activated gummed adhesive made from cornstarch on one side. H-40 has quickly become an e-commerce favorite. Combining a lightweight paper construction with stronger fiberglass provides a flexible product that is still very strong. Given its thread construction, H-40 is designed to be 72 millimeters wide. Holland stocks several sizes. Custom sizes are also available. Like all Holland water-activated tape products, H-40 can be printed up to 6 colors. For success in applying water-activated tape, we'll include links to our tutorial videos on proper application methods. Holland is proud to manufacture reinforced water-activated tape in the United States. Regardless of your location, we can reach you with our network of distributors and global converting partners.